Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyó giving flowers to Nina.
Wow!
Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. I start with Pocoyó. I draw his eyes and I paint them black. His nose and his mouth. I draw the shape of his face and his hat. I draw his arms He's holding a nice bouquet of flowers. Oh, he's so cute! Excellent! Then I draw his legs. Now let's draw Nina. I start with her cute eyes that are closed. Her nose and her smiling mouth. I draw the shape of her face, her hair. She is wearing an hat. She's holding her arms like this. Oh, she's so happy to receive flowers from Pocoyó. Finally, I draw her body with her two legs. Wonderful! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I start with Pocoyó's skin, and I use this pink marker. Red for the mouth, and light blue for his dress. Now let's color the bouquet of flowers with the colors of the rainbow. Orange, light orange, purple, light blue, yellow, red, pink, light green, and dark green. Now I use pink for the skin of Nina. Red for her hair, and finally light green for her clothes. Amazing! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.